Hi there, welcome back. We're on an exciting journey exploring new technology trends. Today, we're discussing something called Albumentations. So, what's Albumentations? It's a tool that's freely available for everyone to use, and it helps improve the work of certain computer programs called neural networks. To make it simple, imagine Albumentations as a photo editor, like the one on your phone, but it's used by computers instead of people. It can change images in all sorts of ways, like making them blurry, bigger or smaller, turning them around, and so on. By doing this, it can create a whole album of varied pictures from just one single image. And this album is used to teach computers how to understand images better. Now you might wonder, why should we bother about Albumentations? Well, the reason is speed. In some tests, Albumentations has been found to be the fastest tool for editing images for computer programs, faster than many other similar tools. Because it's fast and free to use, lots of people are using it, and it's very popular on a site called GitHub, where people share computer programs. But that's not the end of it. Albumentations is part of a bigger trend known as synthetic data. This means data that's made up using computers instead of data that comes from real-world events. Over the last 5 years, more and more people are interested in synthetic data, and it's grown by 625%. Collecting real-life data to teach computers can be very costly and slow. That's why people who create computer programs are starting to use artificial or synthetic data instead. Synthetic data can be used freely without worrying about privacy issues, and it can simulate almost any situation you can think of. An organization called Gartner predicts that by 2030, this type of artificial data will be the main type of data used to teach computer programs. As Albumentations is so fast and effective, it's expected to be a key player in this change. However, like with all things, Albumentations has its own set of challenges. One significant issue is that while it's very fast at editing images, it sometimes slows down when using certain parts of a computer, specifically something called a CPU. To overcome this, Albumentations uses multiple image editing tools and picks the quickest one. But this approach also increases the number of other tools it depends on, which is a bit of a trade-off. Another challenge is that finding the best way to edit images for a specific task is still an area of ongoing research. Albumentations tries to solve this issue by offering a wide range of image editing options, including ones tailored for specific tasks. Furthermore, Albumentations is designed to be easy to use while also being powerful. It automatically applies image edits to more complex parts of an image, like boxes, points of interest, and image sections. Its design is flexible to adapt to changes and makes it easy for anyone to add new image edits, guidelines, tests, and how-to guides, which is crucial for its continuous development. As with any potent tool, it's important to use Albumentations responsibly to prevent misuse or unexpected outcomes.